Today we're covering every car cooling system type and what makes each one different. From air-cooled engines to advanced hybrid systems. Let's start with a quick overview of the different types of car cooling systems, including air-cooled, liquid-cooled, and evaporative cooling systems. Each of these systems has its own unique characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. Air-cooled engines, for example, use a combination of airflow and metal fins to dissipate heat, while liquid-cooled engines use a liquid coolant to absorb and transfer heat. Evaporative cooling systems, on the other hand, use the evaporation of a liquid to cool the engine. We'll also explore hybrid cooling systems, which combine different cooling technologies to achieve optimal performance. So, let's dive in and explore each of these car cooling system types in more detail. Starting with air-cooled engines. Air-cooled engines are relatively simple and use a combination of airflow and metal fins to dissipate heat. They're often used in smaller vehicles and motorcycles. Next up, we have liquid-cooled engines, which use a liquid coolant to absorb and transfer heat. These systems are more complex and are often used in larger vehicles. Evaporative cooling systems are another type of car cooling system. They use the evaporation of a liquid to cool the engine and are often used in hybrid vehicles. Finally, we have hybrid cooling systems, which combine different cooling technologies to achieve optimal performance. These systems are often used in high-performance vehicles. So, which car cooling system type is the most efficient? And which one is the most common? Let's summarize the different types of car cooling systems and their characteristics, and provide